Welcome to a world where technology transforms the mundane into the extraordinary. Imagine tools that simplify your daily grind, inspire you to learn, and support your well-being, all with a touch of innovation. Today, we're exploring the magic of smart solutions. They're more than gadgets. They're companions that save time, unlock creativity, and empower growth. Whether you're a student chasing dreams, a professional balancing life's chaos, or simply looking to thrive, there's something here for everyone. Let's embark on this journey into the heart of technology, where possibilities are endless and every step leads to a brighter future. Time, it's the only thing you can't get back. But what if you could steal moments from routine and give them to what truly matters? Meet Zapier, the silent hero of automation. Imagine this: an email arrives with an attachment. While you sip your coffee, Zapier quietly saves it to your Google Drive. No clicks, no hassle, pure magic. Now, let's talk about Notion. Think of it as your digital command center: plans, projects, and dreams, all in one place. It's not just a tool. It's a partner that adapts to you. From to-do lists to collaborative workflows, Notion turns clutter into clarity. What could you do with an extra hour every day? True productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. Enter Trello, a digital canvas where tasks flow like a well-conducted symphony. Visualize your projects as cards moving from to-do to done. It's perfect for planners, dreamers, and achievers. Then there's Todoist, your personal reminder system. It's like having a friend who gently nudges you. Hey, remember that deadline? With Todoist, overwhelm fades, and focus shines. These tools aren't just about checking boxes, they're about owning your day. Imagine waking up with a clear plan. How much more could you achieve? Learning should be a journey, not a chore. With the right tools, it can feel like an adventure. Take Khan Academy, a digital mentor available 24/7. Struggling with algebra? It's got your back with step-by-step guidance. It's like having a patient tutor who never gets tired. Or dive into Duolingo, where mastering a new language feels like play. Earn points, unlock achievements, and see your progress soar, all while picking up real-world skills. These platforms remind us that curiosity has no bounds and learning knows no limits. What skill have you always wanted to master? Good health isn't just a state, it's a lifestyle. And smart tools make living well simpler than ever. Devices like Fitbit and Apple Watch don't just count steps, they reveal stories. How well you slept, how active you've been. They paint a picture of your day and guide you toward better choices. For your mind, apps like Headspace and Calm are like oases in a busy world. Stressed? Take a moment to breathe. Struggling to sleep? Let soothing stories and guided meditations carry you to rest. Health isn't a destination. It's a journey, and these tools walk with you every step of the way. What would change if you felt healthier every day? Change is where the magic happens. It's where growth begins and dreams take shape. Think of AI tools as trusted allies. They handle the mundane, amplify the meaningful, and open doors to possibilities once thought impossible. By embracing innovation, you're not just adapting, you're leading. What's one area in your life that's ready for transformation? Closing, 26/00/27/00. We've explored tools that save time, boost productivity, inspire learning, and support well-being. Now it's your turn. Choose one tool. Try it. Watch how it transforms your routine into something remarkable. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Together, we'll uncover more ways to live smarter, better, and with purpose. Thanks for watching. Let's make tomorrow brighter than today.